Hello, in front of me I've got BYD SEAL U. In this video I'll show you how to open and close sunroof and sunshade. In the beginning, swipe down from the top of the screen and go to sunroof and sunshade. Tap here to open sunshade and sunroof completely. And next you can set comfort mode, ventilation mode, or you can close both of them. Also via the slider you can select exact location where should sunroof and sunshade stop. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.